All right, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Keno with STEMwithKeno.com, and this is my first time really going live, like on a desktop with YouTube. But today, we have a question that was posted by an AFOQT client. Let's see here. Let me pull it up. All right. Actually, I might even be able to see if I can. Just trying to see if I could possibly screen share this. Okay. So I can't screen share, but that's all right. No big deal. We'll just jump into it. Okay, so this deals with averages. And to give you a little background on averages, if we want to find the average of something, let's say we have three numbers. We have a 15, a 10, and maybe a 20. And we are trying to find the average of these three numbers. Okay. What we will do is add all three numbers. So 15 plus 10 is 25. Plus another 20 is 45. And so the total sum of these three numbers is 45. And what we will do is divide by 3. And 3, 45. The average of these three numbers will be 15. So keep that in mind. This is kind of how we average things. So it would be 15 plus 10 plus 20 divided by 3 in order to yield the average of 15. So all of this is added and divided by 3 as we did here, and our answer is 15. So to jump into the question, I got to buy a new eraser. I did laundry. I had a missing sock, and that's the eraser there. Okay, so an applicant took 3 typing tests. So we have test 1, test 2, test 3. The average speed on these typing tests was 46 words per minute. All right, so that was the average. So we added these 3, and we came up with 46 words per minute. If the applicant's speed on 2 of these tests was 49 words per minute, what was the applicant's speed on the 3rd test? So on 2 of these, it was basically the average was 49 words per minute. So we want to know the test here, what we scored in order to obtain a 46 when we averaged. Now all of this is going to be divided by 3. So what we have to understand is what I call, it's just something I call it because mentally I work stuff out, but there is a circular relationship between a fraction, which is this numerator denominator, and a whole number. So this 3 times 46 actually equals the sum of these 3 numbers. All right. Let's give you a little background. I gave us 15, 10, and what was it, 20? All right. Now the sum of these 3 numbers was actually 45. And divided by 3. And I'm just going to the previous question to just kind of show you how this works. So the average was 15. All right. So here's a circular relationship. This is a fraction. This is a whole number. 3 times 15 is equal to 45, which is the sum of these numbers in our previous question. So it's going to be the same thing here. 3 times 46 138. So we know that this times this is equal to the sum of these numbers. So now that I have 138, all I need to do is subtract 98 and 40 will be the answer. That is what, and that's option D. Our answer options were 46, 44, 42, 40 words per minute, and 38 words per minute. So the answer is D. All right. So that was something that one of my clients had come up with. And so there's your answer, delta, and that's how you solve it. And if I moved a little bit too fast, then what you could do is you could just, pause it and just at each step and internalize every step. So I'm Kino with STEM with Kino.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.